So here I am doodling away in Fusion, and I'm at a point where I want to start making some components because I like working with components. But I don't have components. They're not here. The option to create a component is gone. Well, I just got an update and figured out what had happened. They've introduced a new mode where by default you get part design. This is basically no components, no assemblies. Assembly design will tell you that you're going to be using external components. Okay, fine. Hybrid design is basically what Fusion was before this update. You can use internal and external components. So if you're starting a new one, make sure you choose hybrid design. Don't just assume part design is what you want. If you're like me and you've already got a project going and you don't want to recreate it, what you can do is come in here to Document Settings, and where it says Part Design, click on the little pencil and tell it to convert over to a hybrid design. Doing that, I now have the ability to create a component once again. So I can create my toilet paper roll here. And hooray! Back to the way Fusion used to be. So yeah, watch out for that.